Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good night, beautiful viewers. Uh, this record is taken today on the 8th July 2021 as past night was windy and a lot of mangoes were spoiled. As you can see, all these mangoes are now worthless. You cannot sell them. The least that you can do is to pick them and give them out to people. So be with me. I'm gonna show you around so you can see by yourself the number of mangoes that were spoiled just overnight by the wind. This is worth over $30,000 minimum. These are oranges as well. They are all economical trees. You can see by yourself. The branch of this mango was put down. It's an unfortunate incident. Just take a look. I'm just out of words, honestly. All these mangoes are worth of more than $30,000. More than $30,000 at most. That's minimum. We're still going.